Hi everyone, my name is Sima. I just want to show a tutorial on how can we spin up a TeamCity server um, on a MacBook or iMac. So basically Mac operating system. I don't have a Windows, so I may not be able to give a demo on that. I just want to use Mac as a reference because I have been using Mac for my personal as well as for professional work for a long time. So we're gonna go to TeamCity. We're gonna search for TeamCity, which is eventually being provided by JetBrains. And let's say get started with the TeamCity, and then we get the download option. I want to. I'm going to download the bundle which is compatible with Mac OS. So that's how you download the TeamCity bundle. I'm not going to click on that because I already have the downloaded file in my download. So I'm gonna go to my Finder. If you see, I already have this tar file installed. Now I'm going to unzip it. So when you unzip it, it is basically going to create the TeamCity directory, and it is up to you like where you want your TeamCity directory to be get created. Because I'm just creating that for a demo purpose, so I'm just going to create my TeamCity directory in the downloads itself. Um, so all the sh files are here which we need to start to spin up the TeamCity server in the bin folder. So for that I will launch my terminal, and I am going to start the TeamCity server. We need this run all sh command. So this is the shell file we do need, and it works with command. As you type start, it will start spinning up the TeamCity server. Okay, so TeamCity server has started running, but now you want to know how you want to launch that, right? So the local host information you can find here, build agent, configuration, and here when you launch build agent.properties, you can see what is going to be your host address. For example, it has the server URL. I'm gonna copy it, search my local host, and I am creating. So when you hit your local host at 8111 port, you can see it is going to ask for some of the things where you want to keep your build server directory. I'm not going to make any change. Whatever the default it is going to provide, I'm gonna keep that. Going to proceed. As we are going to proceed, I believe it is going to be um, okay. So it is asking about database type, so we are going to keep default selection. So it will be creating a database for the TeamCity during this process. Whether you want to install that on Windows or Windows Server or in the Mac, right, or in the Kubernetes, I think the process is going to be little different. Not the process, we can say like the first the bundles itself are going to be different, and all the information based on your operating system, how the installation gonna work for the TeamCity, you can find all that information in the TeamCity documentation which is being provided by the JetBrains at their website. First time it is going to be a little bit slow, but next time when after the setup you will be launching, so it is going to be very quick. So I'm going to accept the agreements. So now what you need to do is you need to create one admin account. So I'm just going to create admin as a username, admin as a password for so that it would be easy for me to remember, and create the account. So once I create the account, our TeamCity server will be all up and running. So TeamCity provides one agent in its bundle when we install it on any of the platform. The rest of the agents we need to buy. Yeah, so as it comes with additional cost all the time. So this doesn't matter. Now we can go to the project, and first we need to go to agent. We should be able to see one agent here, because by default it gives you one agent. Yes, so one agent is there in the pool. Cool. I just wanted to make sure, because if you have seen earlier there was zero showing up, and I just wanted to make sure we have one um, default agent provided by the TeamCity on which we can create our projects and the build configurations. Okay, so as your admin, you can see bunch of things here. You can upload the plugins which you need for your build configuration. Like some of the for the plugin list, you can go all the way down, and you can see there are so many plugins which are by default available. For example, Maven and um, GitHub, right? All those, there are so many. I think 40 to 43 bundles are like that, which are by default available, like with the IntelliJ. Um, yeah, and if you want to upload any new plugin, so you have the two options. Either you can browse the plugin from the repositories, or you can download the plugins via zip file and upload it from here. In any case, you need to install if you restart the server, then you just come here, diagnostics, and it provides you the option to restart the server. Like for example, if you install any plugin, and after installing the plugin you want to restart your TeamCity server, so this is the place where you need to come in, and just click on restart server, and it will restart the server again, so that any new installation or any plugins which are added, so those will start reflecting. So now I'm gonna go back to the projects again. So as you are admin, a admin user can create the project, while other user can, I believe like they can use just they can create their build job and are having access for the build configuration changes. So for example, I'm gonna say I'm going to create one project. Either you can create a project from your repo, or you can create a project manually. So I will say any project name, like TeamCity. Create. So that's how you can spin up your TeamCity server. Now, if you want to stop the TeamCity server anytime for any kind of maintenance work, all you need to do is you need to you again need run all command, or you just need to instead of start you need to type start, and it will terminate the server and the agent. And so if you see, you will get notify here itself. Anybody try to access, okay, your server is not available, it's shut down for something. So that's how you can shut down your TeamCity server for any kind of maintenance if you need. You know, I try to click on that, it will say we are not able to connect to the server. Please let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful. Then I will create a video like how to create the project and the build configuration. How can we add different plugins which we need in which we do need um, for our build process. So I will share the videos on that. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I would love to hear the feedback.